gonna challenge ourselves and see how much we know Somali/maay.
We will be right back. Do not go anywhere. Shit, man,
Mel ama mbato.
if you don't subscribe me, I don't subscribe you. You lose a point. Go. Stop.
Okay.
What? I only took like 4 pictures.
Well,
That's not possible. I mean,
I redo
you
it.
have
Best
to redo it
delete
again.
Greek was.
How to say cow in your language?
Is it iring?
Earring and lot is different.
You guys say look, we say iring.
No, earring's not a cow. It's never. It's 0. I got 1. She got
What is-
0. I got 1.
What is this in your language?
What is this?
That's easy. That's shimber. An English bird.
She got 1. I got her.
0.
No. I got 2. If I answer, I get the.
Kaya kada point that.
Now I have 2, 3. You know, this one is dick.
I was trying to find that. I was thinking like
Thinking.
daughter and thick.
Keep thinking. More thinking.
Wait, this.
You just choosing any random pictures.
Yeah.
But I already answered that. What? Like you have 11 pictures. You have.
Yeah, my way come. What's this? No, daughter. Waxa way. Tukulish baldam way. No.
I got 7 points, right?
How? When did you even get to 4 points?
4 points at that. I know hal habat iga qalada male. I got 6 points actually. 7 points ki al sameyn wayse. Ask me something.
What is this?
To be like,
Like,
you know? Okay. You what up?
hard.
Rakab.
Ah, it must slip to my brain.
I what's you know? You don't know? Didin. You what up?
Hard.
Are you? What is that?
Girl.
This is not a girl. This is not a girl. Sophia, I'm fair. Are you okay?
Hyena.
Madina, are you kidding me? This is not hyena.
Giraffe.
What?
Dude, makasawa ano? Irena. No. Get. Watch out from deers.
Well, you're not getting that point anyway. I'm good.
What? I have to what? Deers.
I'm so
But they don't look like deer though.
Well, I'm so not.
Adios. Doodles.
Bye bye.